Hi everyone, it's Polo from planetgbc.com. We are meeting for a new video to discover everything that happened on the GBC planet over July. Just before we start this overview, I'll let you guess which module I am currently reproducing. Put a comment if you have found it, and stay until the end of this video, I will give you the answer. Without further ado, let's go on our world tour of the GBC planet. We start our trip around the world in France with a prowess made in France. The one from Courbet, who has successfully reproduced a classic GBC, the Container Transporter module from Akiyuki. This module works a little like the shell game and successfully switches cubic container made with Lego. I'll let you follow the path of the blue container, either on the video of the original or on the video of Courbet. You will find both links in the description of this video. We stay in France with a module from PG52 called Basic Stairs. PG52 offers us a very nice module with clean lines and that works in closed loop, but which can be easily integrated into a module chain with a simple push of a finger, as you can see on this video. Classic in appearance, but equipped with a devilishly effective mechanism, you can discover all its subtleties by watching the video of PG52. The modules of PG52 are definitely in the spotlight this month since we discover from a German GBC builder called Dunes the Black Stars module, which is nothing more than a revisited version of the Sun module from PG52. This module transports your favorite balls through small wagons suspended around a large Ferris wheel, and I let you observe the central mechanism of the module that turns the wheel. It's ultra sophisticated and it's really brilliant. Dunes has big highlights this month since we find him again with his LEGO GBC Catapult 1.2 module, another adaptation of existing GBC module. This time, it is Tom Atkinson Perpetual Prototype module that Dunes has reproduced and slightly adapted. Building instructions for reproducing this module are available in the description of this video, so if you want to reproduce a compact and fun module, don't hesitate anymore and get started. We are staying in Europe for my crush of the month, direction Poland, and no rooster this time. The dual zigzag module of the Bananaman 2018 is the one that surprised me the most this month. Equipped with a simple mechanism on the surface, this GBC module will amaze you with its efficiency. Don't miss the opportunity to reproduce this module thanks to the free building instruction provided by its designer, of course available on Planet GBC. Even though European GBC builders have been very innovative this month, they were not the only ones. So let's fly together around the GBC planet and land in Canada, in Vancouver. This month, Great Ball Pit offers you the Multipass module, which will make your favorite basketball and soccer balls take a random pass, in a closed loop or in a chain of the modules. This module very quickly cleans up the two ramps that make it up. A nice GBC module to discover or rediscover this month. We cross the American-Canadian border, heading for the United States, where we find the GBC Not Scissor Lift module from Nonsense Wars. The module is rather compact, very original, and very nice to look at. The descriptive video is just as important since this GBC builder explains in details through its YouTube video all the specificities of its original mechanism, as well as the difficulties he went through to build this module. Still in the United States, I propose you to do a detour through the YouTube channel from Walt White. Walt's GBC Cup Cycle module caught my attention this month. Inspired by Akiyuki's famous Cup-to-Cup module, Walt's module will make life hard for few Lego balls by condemning them to go round in circles forever. It's a severe punishment, but it's so mesmerizing to watch that is forgiven. Let's go now on the plane and stop over New Zealand, a country from which the prolific GBC builder, Sawyer, shares with us his excellent creation. This month, I choose to focus on his LEGO GBC Rotating Cup. I simply suggest that you let yourself be enchanted by the exotic rotation of the two articulated arms of his wonderful module. Compact and innovative mechanisms are always what we enjoy at Sawyer. This GBC designer was always very inspired and inspiring. This month, in fact, I have 2 crushes. And yes, I have the right, after all, I'm the one who writes this column. We are heading to Japan, then, the mother country of Akiyuki, the undisputed maestro of GBC module creation. And I hope you fasten your seatbelt, because it's going to go fast. Very, very fast. His last module, called Peanuts, is a module with the fastest movement that I have seen so far. And I'm starting to have seen a lot of modules. 2 articulated and rotating arms return 2 wagons filled with GBC balls, which are collected at the speed of light by another articulated arm. It's amazingly fast, and once again so creative. This is really what I love about Akiyuki's creation, his ability to surprise us and to innovate with each new creation when everyone thought that all the good ideas had all been found. Maybe it's the genius things about genius. Once you have recovered from the emotional shock of this GBC build, don't miss Akiyuki's second video, which explains the different prototype he went through to reach the final module. I found this video really excellent and ultra informative. It really deciphers all the steps to follow if you want to start creating your own GBC modules. Moreover, if you are starting to create GBC modules, don't hesitate to share your creation in the comment of this video or on Planet GBC. I'm sure I will love to talk about you in one of my upcoming videos. That's all for this month, so if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave me a comment, a like, or both. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon below this video next to the subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos. To close this video, I leave you with a short excerpt from one of the GBC modules I just dusted off and took out of my attic. This is the GBC multiplex module from Squidster. Link in the video description, of course, to discover or rediscover. I also promise to tell you which module I'm currently reproducing. Actually, it's the Geneva Drive module, and I put also a link in the description. See you soon on Planet GBC, take care and keep on building. Ciao ciao!